Hi, sociologists. Did you spring forward? Did you lose that hour? Are you disappointed? Or are you glad it's going to be darker later at night? I kind of like it that way, but I was kind of also bummed that it was later than I thought this morning when I got up. But whatever. Anyways, okay, hi. So here we go. We're moving into deviance, which is great. It's one of my favorite topics. Deviance is an interesting thing because we get to think about who gets to say what's deviant or not, which is sort of interestingly related to power. So you're going to look at the theories, you're going to look at social control, you're going to look at the law as an instrument of oppression. If you're a conflict theorist, the law put in place to benefit some and oppress others, and you'll see some examples throughout the reading and perhaps talk about it in your discussion forum. So that's what's on tap for this week. And just so you know that once this week ends on Sunday, we're going to take a week break, so I won't be bothering you next Sunday. So you'll turn in your posts that are due a week from today, right? And then the following week there won't be a post due because we'll be on spring break. So if you're going to enjoy something on spring break, right on. If you're going to work and catch up on stuff, right on. But in any case, we won't be having our usual week of posting and reading and stuff. So that doesn't mean you can't read ahead. Everything you need to know is on the syllabus, right? But you don't have to. So you get to decide. So thanks for doing what you're doing. I'm liking the posts. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you on the forums.